Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 3-bath house right here in Iron Horse Ranch, which is located right here in the heart of Edmond, Oklahoma. My name is Kinsley Hauser, and I'm a local realtor here in Edmond, Oklahoma and its surrounding areas. Whether you're thinking about moving in 10 days or 10 months, I'd love to be able to connect with you and potentially help you on your move. So like I said, we are here at Iron Horse Ranch looking at this home built by McGregor Homes. McGregor Homes is an award-winning home builder right here in Oklahoma. They put a lot of emphasis into the little details that really makes their home beautiful, and I think that you're gonna love this one. It's got a very open concept floor plan, really unique designs throughout. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So when you come in the front door, you immediately come into this office right here on the right, and they did a really nice job of color drenching this room with this really nice green tone. You even have a closet in here, but these nice glass double doors to kind of close it off. And I definitely love the way they have it staged, but an office up here in the front with kind of a different color theme, I think makes a really great space. And then you have this long hallway that leads us back to our main living area. But up here, you've got an extra bathroom and bedroom, which I think is great for guests. It's great if you need it for an extra room for people living in the house, but I definitely think it makes a great guest room, really nice space. And then this would be your bathroom. If you have guests over just for dinner, they would come and use this bathroom more than likely, but a really nice kind of moody space to it. So when we come through here, we've got our main living areas and really nice size arches leading you into the different parts of the house. But actually, before we go through there, I want to show you, they have this kind of mudroom with a huge long closet for lots of storage, but then kind of this brick tile into this mudroom off of the laundry room with these cabinets, which is great for backpacks. They even put hooks in there, backpacks, jacket, put your shoes down at the bottom, because then you leave here and you come into your main living area, which is just absolutely beautiful. It's so open. You have a nice flow between your living room into your dining room, and then of course this beautiful kitchen behind me. These cabinets with kind of this extra extended leg, which gives it almost more of like a furniture look to it. And then of course you've got these beautiful countertops, which they actually extended up into the backsplash, which gives it a really nice seamless look, but also is really great for cleaning and that sort of thing. And I love the idea of doing your dishes and looking at your backyard, which is absolutely beautiful, and I'll show it to you in a second. But just kind of thinking about the builder, a lot of the details that they do, even mixing like these woods with the cabinets, kind of having the painted cabinets on the exteriors. You have really beautiful thought out light fixtures that just really ties the space in together. And then of course this gas range oven combo is gorgeous with a really nice vent hood slash wall kind of on top of it, which just definitely elevates this space. And so if that weren't enough, you come in here and you've got a nice little pantry with lots of storage. You could definitely, I mean, if it doesn't fit into the tons of cabinets you have this whole other little pantry here. And so kind of looking even at this dining space from another angle, you can see how big of a table you can fit here. Again, this light fixture is super cute. And of course, the way they have it staged just brings out the natural design of the house so much more. And so before we go and look at the master, I want to take a look at this backyard. So you've got a nice covered patio, and then behind me you can see the walking trails and the greenbelt for the neighborhood, but definitely has a beautiful view of just that greenbelt, and then of course just this beautiful trees. In the summertime it would be absolutely gorgeous with everything grown up. Okay, so we're gonna come through here and take a look at the master. It's kind of got a nice little L corner to separate it from the rest of the house. Again, more beautiful windows. You've got nice tall ceilings, a really nice space. Of course, you have a huge bed in here, and then even more space for seating, a dresser. And then we come through here right into the ensuite bathroom. Again, more of like a brick type of looking flooring, and then that same countertop from the kitchen with extending it up here, which is really nice for splashes and that sort of thing. And these mirrors are very custom, very beautiful, and then that vertical shiplap all just ties together so nicely. And if we turn around, we have a wet room here, combining the tub and the shower and giving it really just a nice look, but also saving some space. And then through here we have our master closet, which is very long. You've got rods all the way up to the ceiling with some built-in storage in the back. You could display lots of shoes, but maybe the best part of this whole house, if you turn around, is you have your own master suite hookup for washer and dryer. You would stack on top, obviously, but that way you don't have to go to the laundry room, which is upstairs, but you have your own laundry right here in your master. Probably the best part. So then as we leave, we're gonna take another look at this bathroom. Peeking in here, we just have a toilet room with some privacy. And then as we come through our main living area, here's just another view of this very open living space that I think would be so great for entertaining. Very spacious. I mean, all the furniture in here is a nice size and you still have tons of room to walk around. So now we're gonna go back through the front and we're gonna go up the stairs and take a look at all the extra rooms. When you come to the top of the stairs, you kind of have a split in directions. So going that way is gonna take you to your extra bedrooms. Going this way is gonna take you to a bonus room and a very cute laundry room. So we're gonna start with the bedrooms and then we'll kind of finish our way with the laundry room. And so as we come up here, some really good storage options here, just kind of added storage. You've got just a simple bedroom, but a really nice size with a good sized closet. And then as we go this way, we're gonna have the extra bathroom, which I think is really cute. They did this nice kind of antique looking floating shelves, kind of gives like a retro look to it. Pretty unique, not as much storage, but you do have that storage in the hallway to kind of combat that. And then a glass shower up here, which is really nice. And then as we come back through here, they did this built-in desk, which I think is a great addition because if these are kids' rooms, homework, you have a spot for them. And then up here is our other bedroom. This is a very large room. I think it's larger than the other one. So definitely a great size just for an extra bedroom. So now we're gonna go across the stairs and take a look at that bonus room and also the laundry room. So coming in here to the laundry room, you do have access to the attic, which is nice for extra storage. And then this laundry room has the nice cute little windows. It has this very cute plaid wallpaper and then just lots of space for countertops and storage. And even the tile is really unique. So to me, this is one of the cutest laundry rooms I think I have seen, just with all the little details that they added. And then as we come through here, you have a huge bonus room, which would be great for games. You could even, kind of the way it's laid out, you could even do like couches in one area, ping pong table in the other. And then you do have this really nice size closet for storing extra linens or games or things like that. So we're gonna take one more peek down into the foyer and get a really good view of what it looks like coming downstairs, because you have really tall windows that I think lets in so much natural light that I think is worth looking at one more time. So coming back here, kind of looking at this angle for the foyer, you see that you have a nice big window. You've got the doors with glass in them, so letting in all that natural light. It's very welcoming and inviting for people coming into the house. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed touring through this home. I absolutely love this home. I love the finishes they put into it, the unique floor plan. And so if you are thinking about moving, if you clicked on this video because you're interested in this house, or maybe you're interested in just moving and seeing what that process looks like, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll have all the ways for you to be able to do that in the description box below. So again, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I will catch you in my next one.